Hi guys, how are you all?
I'm good.
Good morning, Priya auntie.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. Hi Devishka.
Hi.
Hi. Lakshanya, Yuvati, Nevan, where are your videos?
Hello.
Hi.
Hi.
Our exam is over, guys.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, good. How was it? Was it easy? Hard?
It was pretty easy, and I think I finished before most of the people.
Oh, nice. Good.
First in my class.
Oh, that's nice. Did you guys review? You did first, right? Did you review?
For each question, I didn't really review after I was done. When I was done with the question, I just reviewed that question, and then I moved on to another question. Same.
I see. And did you also check whether your other than your selected answer, all the other answers were incorrect?
Sometimes.
See, that is important hereafter. Shall we do that? It's a learning, right? We all learn. So next
Like
time,
most of the time. For the easy questions, I sort of.
you know what? If you get two answers right, then you're definitely wrong. You see, that's a good way to analyze the questions. You see, when you have, when you find one answer, let's say A, okay, you go to C, that also works well for the question. Then you have definitely got it wrong. You see? So that way you can solve some of the questions, more questions correctly. See what I mean? Next time, will you guys do that?
Yeah.
Okay. Shall we go ahead?
Auntie,
Yeah.
for our start, we had to justify each question and make models and solve it.
Ah, in star?
Yeah.
You know what, Ritu? It's the same star question paper for all. Do you know that?
No.
Yeah, it's the same question paper for all. All the schools are being supplied with the same question paper. Interesting, right?
Yeah.
Texas State gives it. Did you all do the homework? Do you have any questions on those fractions?
I did it, but I didn't get time to submit it because on Wednesday I got a fever.
Oh, I'm sorry. Are you feeling better now? Are you feeling better now, Ritu? Good. How did you do? Lakshanya, Yuvati, did you have questions on the homework?
No.
Okay. Samhit?
I didn't do the homework.
Yeah, I need to talk to your mom. 100%. I really need to talk to your mom. Okay, I'm really concerned. Okay, you do great, but at the same time, I want home. See, unless we practice, right, it will not marinate. Our brains are like pickles. You have to put things into it and marinate for a long time. Then only it stays. You know what is marinating? Once you learn something 2 plus 3 equal to 5, it doesn't stick. 2 plus 3 equal to 5, 2 plus 3 equal to 5. You need to keep revising for a long time. Then only it sticks. Otherwise, it just falls out. So for that, we need to do homework, you know. See, that is why I'm asking you to do. Okay, if our brains are like just go attach like a glue, then it's not needed. But our brains are not like that. If you want something to marinate in your brain, marinate means stay long like a pickle, stay there, right? It happens only with practice. Okay, let's see. Okay, now I just want to move on, guys. I really want to at least finish most of this book as well, right? Let's see.
I wasn't able to do the homework because I was doing the practice test you gave for the star.
Okay. Next time, will you be able to do more next week? Concentrate. Now that your star is over, can you concentrate?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Can you concentrate on the homework? Okay. Even the last week's homework, you can add it in and make sure you do. Shall we do that?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now, let me ask you. Rather than this, right? Let me draw like this. This is one hole. Okay. If you know this, I'm going to move on quickly. Okay. Now, this is half, right? How many halves are there in one hole? How many halves are there in one hole? Two halves. How many thirds are there in one hole? How many thirds? Three. How many tenths are there in one hole?
10.
10. Good job. So, can I ask you a question? Now, you're going to answer in chat. You're not going to blurt out. Okay. How many twelfths are there in two holes? Come on, guys. Let me see. Let me see. Give me 1 minute time. I'll be back. Whether you're understanding or not, but can you send in the answer so that I will know? Yes. Ritu correct, Heyan correct, Lakshanya correct. Oh, one more thing. Since I brought it 1/12. Do you all know the spelling of 1/12? 12th is a separate number. This 12th, right, is a separate TWELFT. This is a weird thing. Since one of you sent me the spelling incorrectly, I wanted to tell you. It's a little different. Okay, you should remember that. It's a good word to learn. Okay. So, Ritu, is it 2? How many 12s are there?
24.
Hmm?
24.
Then why did you write 2?
I thought it was that.
Ah, okay. Lakshanya, Yuvati, you got it. Heyan, Samhit, what is that? Heyan, Samhit, 12, huh?
Yeah.
No. In 2 holes, right? Each hole has a 12 piece, 12 piece. Yuvati, you have to answer it as 24. 24, 1/12 piece are there. Do you get it?
Okay, I thought we could. I was like wanting to know if I first said 24, then I put 124 because I was confused.
Seema, there will be 2 holes, right? Each hole has 12 pieces in it. Sorry, they're all equal, okay? 12 pieces in it means how many pieces are there is what I am asking. How many this pieces are there? 24. You got it?
Mm-hmm.
I thought there was only one hole, so that's why I said 12.
Now you got it?
Yeah.
Okay. How many 6 are there in 5 holes? Good job, Neil. Neil came in. I didn't see Neil coming in. Hi, Neil. Mom said you were going to be late.
Yeah, because I was like sleeping happily.
Sorry, Neil. I know, right? I was the monster who had to wake you up, right? Who was the reason for you to wake up. Correct?
Yeah.
I know. I'm sorry. But you know it's for your good.
Miss Priya, I
Hmm?
the answer.
Yes, I'm seeing. Nevan, I asked you how many 6 are there and your answer is fifths. Answer is correct, but why did you say fifths?
Oh, I'm a sixth.
Ah, okay, I got it.
I was gonna say
Yes,
six, and I saw the
um,
5, and then it just messed me up.
Miss Priya,
Devishka, yeah, ma, go ahead.
am I correct?
Yes, everybody got it right. Devishka, where are we? Did you understand what I'm asking?
Yeah.
Do you know how to chat with me?
Yeah.
Then I didn't see your chat message. Do you have an answer?
Yeah.
Where is the answer? Go to chat window. Can you message
I
me?
didn't send it right.
Can you send it now?
Yeah.
Please send it. Okay, looks like all of you understood. There's no point doing this. Okay. Now, let's see this one. This is one whole. Devishka, you are going to send it to me. Okay, then only I'll know. This is one whole. Okay, now this is half. Okay, when you think about this half, I'll shade the half. Okay, let me shade this half. Now, when you think about it, the same half, you see what I'm doing. This is a half, right? Half, I half it. So in this case, right, meaning in the red color box case, right, each piece is called what, Heyan? Each of this piece is called what?
1/4.
Now, can I ask you a question? How many 1/4 are in one half?
2.
Good job. See, how many 1/4 are in one half? Good job. There are 2. Very nice. Now, let me go ahead and write this down. Half. Thanks, Devishka. Half. This is one half, right? Whatever I have rounded is half. You see, that's the same as if I split it into 4 pieces. The whole I split into 4 pieces, it's equivalent to 2. Do you see? 2 out of the 4 pieces. See here. 1 out of 2 pieces. 1 out of the 2 pieces is the same as 2 out of the 4 pieces. Now I'll ask you something else. If I put a 4 here, meaning, let me give it to you differently. Let me give it to you differently. Yuvati, 1 minute. Ma. I will give you 8. I'll come back to you, Yuvati. I'll give you 8 pieces, meaning I'm going to split into 8 pieces now. If I have 8 pieces, this half will be how many pieces? What number should come here? Yuvati, go ahead and tell.
4.
4. Good job. So see, do you see there is an easy way to do this? Identify the patterns. There are some patterns. See, this was multiplied by 2. I multiply the same thing by 2. Then I get the equal fractions. These are called equal fractions. Get it? Equal fractions. A very sophisticated, I'm a math person. In the if that's so right, they call it equivalent fractions. Equivalent fractions. They are nothing but they are equal fractions. See the spelling, guys. Please, you have to be careful with spellings. Go ahead, Samit. What is that?
If to keep on getting equivalent fractions, first you start with the equivalent fraction and then multiply the numerator and denominator.
Denominator by a number. Very nice. But at the same time, you can also divide, Sometimes I might ask you 2 by 4 equal to 1 by what? If I ask you, see, this number has come down. So it is being divided by something. Divide by 2. Yuvati, go ahead. What is the answer here?
2.
2. See, this would also be divided by 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2. Okay. I really want the answer from Devishka. How many tables do you know, Ma? I know about the others here. How many tables do you know? Devishka is new to class. Okay. Tell me, how many tables do you know? You know table, Amma, you have to talk to me in the class. Okay. Then only I can understand what you are, right? Yeah. So, do you know 2 times 1, 3 times 1, 4 times 1?
Yeah.
Hmm?
Tables count.
10.
Okay, let me ask you, no problem. Okay, how about this, guys? What comes in the question mark? All of you, Devishka also should answer, you know.
इसको बोलो
Send the answer in chat. You know
Yeah.
how to send it in chat. I saw you chatting, Devishka. So you know. Go ahead. See, there's a pattern. Identify the pattern. What made this 12 become a 6? Same. It's like, see, you, your brother or your sister, you, your brother or sister. If I divide, if I give a candy if I give a candy here, because here is where I know, I gave a candy division by 2 to this, to your sister. Will you not fight with me? I will be fair only when I give the same candy to you. So you write the answer as 2. Numerator and denominator are like you and your siblings. Whatever you do up, you have to do down. If I
Miss
take away
Priya.
candy from you, I have to take away candy from your sister. Yes, go ahead, Neil. Neil, go ahead.
Well, I accidentally typed in 6.
I
Well,
saw
I knew the answer was 2,
I saw
but
your
on
sleeping.
accident I typed 6.
Yeah, I know. Thank you. I saw your 6 and 2 as well. I know some of you are not answering yet, but that's okay. Let's see. I will ask answers here. Heyan, I would like to see your answer definitely. Heyan, Nevan. This time I really want both of your answer. Uh-huh.
Priya,
Uh-huh.
can we send in chat?
Yeah, please send in chat.
Yeah, I sent it.
Yeah, I saw.
Answer.
That's nice, Yuvati.
Yeah, I also sent it.
Yep. Some of your answers I didn't yet get. Devishka, honestly, I really need your answer, ma. Without you talking to me, how will I know about you? There's no way I'll know about you. Or you can shout out as well, that's fine. Nevan, how did you do that, Nevan? Can you explain?
Because if 10 becomes 50, that's plus 30.
Plus, wait. There is no plus operations here. There's always multiplication and division only. So how did it become?
10 times 5.
What should you do here?
7 times 5.
Yep. Don't forget, there's no addition subtraction here. 35. Got it?
Yeah.
Okay. How about this? I'm going to give you. What is this in here? Let me make it a little harder. I have 2 questions, okay? You're going to send both the answers together. 1, 2. 2 answers I need from each of you who are in here. Let me see. Actually, you know what? I have to revise the... Let's see. Just do this. I'll be back.
Send my answer.
Go ahead. Both the answers nice, Samhita. I really like that. Now, however you've sent, I like it. Got it. Yuvati, both the answers together, ma. Good job, Neil, Samhit. Yuvati, is it reducing or increasing? Did you see? The fractions are reduced, meaning the numbers are reducing or increasing? The numbers are reducing or increasing? Good job, Ritu. Good job, Heyan. So, I think you're all very good with this. Okay. But there are some who have not understood very clearly.
Priya, is this right?
Lakshanya, it is right, but I wanted you to send it to me together, right? That's okay. That's right. Yeah. Devishka, I'm waiting for your second answer. Nevan, it is your second answer, Nevan.
Yeah, I'm taking it.
Yeah, send the first answer then. I want to see.
Priya,
Yeah.
can I show how I did it?
Ritu, wait, let me see.
Yeah, I said my first answer.
Yeah. Ritu, did you send your, yeah, I see. Ritu, I'm not going to ask you now, Ritu, if you don't mind. Wait.
Okay.
I will ask you definitely, but not now. Wait. Lakshanya, that's fine. Thank you for sending it again. Okay. I think Devishka didn't understand. How about who else? Samhit understood. Nevan, how did you do? Nevan?
I did, because the first one, you mean?
First one, tell me. Second one,
Yes.
I'm going to explain. Go ahead.
Like 28 to 7. So
Hmm.
7 times 4 equals
From here you went, but from here you went, then it is hard. You don't know the number here. So whatever you know, only you have to come. So from 28 to 7, what did you do?
it's divided by 4.
Uh-huh.
Divided by 4 is 7. So 36 divided by 4 is 8.
8. Is it 8?
Wait.
It's 9, guys.
Oh, wait, that's it too.
Devishka, listen. 81 became a 27. So, Amma, do you know multiplication tables of 3?
Yeah.
Okay, let me ask you before I move on to this problem, right? Hey, Ann, can you tell me whether this number is divisible by 3? Can you tell me whether this number is divisible by 3?
Nope.
How do you know?
The last number needs to have a multiple of 3. Like here, I can show you if I can annotate.
Yeah, you can annotate.
Here, give me a second.
If anybody has thoughts, you have to raise up. Whoever has thoughts about it, you have to talk it out.
It
We're all
won't.
a group. We are all a team. If we have to win, then you should all speak out. So 41352, is it divisible by 3? Who has thoughts about it? Any thought that comes to your brain, you can share. Yuvati, go ahead.
Here's a
It's not divisible by 3 because all of these numbers except one of these numbers can be equally divided by 3. Because 4 can be if you divide 4 by 3, there'll be a remainder of 1. If
Okay,
you
I'm listening.
divide 1
I'm listening. Okay, but
by 3,
there is another explanation to this. Hold on. Heyan, what was your thought? You said you were going to explain something on the board. Nothing is on the board yet.
Can I explain something on the board?
Samhit has something. Yeah, you can draw on the board. Samhit, what's up?
So like even if you do 12 away, because that's you can, and then like 40 for that, and then 30, and then there's still gonna be a remainder of 10.
Sure
If you
think so?
if you take away the first 52, there's still gonna be a remainder of 1.
I see. What does Neil, Lakshanya, and Ritu think? Neil, go ahead.
So first of all, I noticed that I had to divide
No. First of all, tell me, is it divisible by 3? The other
No.
way of asking is, does it go evenly into 3? Does 3 go evenly into this number?
No.
Guys, I really want to bring this back. See here, add the digits.
Oh, yeah.
Remember,
Well,
I taught you, I feel 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10 plus 5, 15. Now 5 plus, add the digits. I'm just adding the digits. When you add the digits, it gets you to 15. Again, add the digits. It's a 6. Will 3 go evenly in 6? Yes. So this number is evenly divisible by 3. So how do you find it? 413. This one you have to get it now. Okay. See, how many 3s in 4? I have showed you quick division as well. 3 times 1 is 3. The carry is 1. So this becomes 11. 3 times 3 is 9. The carry is 2. This number becomes 23. 3 times 7 is 21. There is a carry of 2. 3 times 8 is 24. We have a 25. Carry of 1. 3 times 4 is 12. So 3 goes evenly in 41352. Does it make sense? What, Samhit? Where is that you didn't understand?
So is this for 41,352 or just 41352?
It is 41,352.
Then how do you do it by 3?
41,352. How do you divide by 3? Heyan, what was your thought, Heyan? 3 times 1 is...
but
Go ahead.
how can we divide the first number first before the next number? And can I use the bathroom after this?
Yeah. Please go ahead and come back. We'll go through this. Go back and come. Go and come back.
Okay, you can go through. I'll understand.
Oh, you all... Good.
Wait, why would you multiply if it's a division?
No. I asked you if 3 goes evenly into this. So you have to divide the number by 3, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so it is going, right? You don't get remainder.
But the ones place has to be also divided by 3.
Not really. You have to sum the numbers. When the sum
Wait,
of
so
the,
only one number has to be able to go through it?
yeah, when you sum the numbers, sum the digits, you'll get one value. Then sum the numbers, you'll get one value. Then whatever
Wait,
is
but how do you get from 41,352 to 15?
I told you, right? 4 plus 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 2.
Wait, but why would you add a
That
40,000?
is how you test divisibility by 3. Yes, Yuvati, go ahead. Yuvati, go ahead with your question.
For the start, with the practice test you showed me, my dad showed me like some ways for it, and can I show it on the board?
Yeah, you can, Ma. 1 minute, let me finish. I don't understand what you're saying, but I'll give you the turn. You can explain. Hold on, let me finish this. Can I finish this?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, Lakshanya, did you get how to test divisibility by 3?
Yes.
Okay, now I'm going to bring up the same question again. This one, let me bring it back, but I want you to be very solid with this. Neil, did you understand how to test divisibility by 3?
Wait. Well, I thought I was focusing on the fraction problem, and I want to tell you something. In that question, you cannot, if you wanted to redivide it by 3, you cannot.
Which one? This one?
No, not these ones.
Previous
No.
problem?
Yeah, like that.
Yeah, what was that
You
problem?
can't.
4135.
If you add the digits, if you want to divide it again, you must check the digit. Add the digits, then add the digits after you add the digits. Then check if it's a multiple of 9. If it
Multiple
is,
of 3 is the only
multiple
one
of-
that works like this. 3 and 9 you can check this way. If you want to check whether a number is divisible by 3 or 9, you have to use this method. You got it? I think let's go with it blindly like that. Okay. If you want to check whether a number goes evenly in 3 or 9, you should go with this. When you check this, right, 81, 8 plus 1 is a 9. Okay, 9 goes evenly in 3. So I can divide by 3 and see, but how to divide 81 by 3? Use your quick division skills. Okay, how many 3's go in 8? 2. What is the remainder? 2, because 3 times 2 is a 6, right? Remainder is 2, so this number becomes 21. How many 3's are in 21? 7. Yeah. So it definitely goes. See, 27 is in here. So it was divided by 3. So here as well, I have to divide by 3. Answer is 6.
Wait, but you can't
Well,
do 2 divided by
it's
3.
also, Miss Priya,
Go
even
ahead.
if it, you gotta make sure that 3, like 3 times 3 or 6 times 3 like that, and going on with the
Good idea. Very
with
good
the
idea.
time
So
number
he said,
adding, which
uh-huh.
and if this was one of those numbers like that, you could, that means that you could redivide it by 3 again.
I like your idea. So he's saying from the answer 6 times 3 is 18. 27 times 3 is 81. You can also check the reverse. Now, let me ask you 53892. Okay, is this number divisible by 2 and 3? Is this number divisible by 2 and 3? Can you send the answers? You can say yes, no in the same order, or no, yes, or yes, yes, or no, no. Can you tell?
Wait.
Go ahead. Is this number divisible by 2? Okay, you can put a y to me, or no to me, or yes no to me, no yes to me. But I want both the answers together. This and this I want. Both the answers together, you have to send it to me.
I said my answer.
Go ahead. When to eat, guys, I forgot to eat. I'm seriously hungry. Go ahead. Lakshanya. How did you test divisibility by 2, Lakshanya?
I said my answer.
Yeah, how did you check divisibility by 2? Based on that, I'm asking you.
I sent my answer.
Wait, ma, I am able to see all your answers. I'm asking Lakshanya, how did you check divisibility by 2?
I wasn't completely sure, but I thought when I added up all the digits, and then I added up the answer of those digits, I thought it was divisible by 3, but then it wasn't divisible by 2 because the answer wasn't divisible by 2.
Divisibility by 2 means if the number is even, it's divisible by 2. If the number is odd, it's not divisible by 2, right? Because 3, 2, 2, 2 and 1 only will come. So this will have remainder. If it is 15, you can do 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. There will be 14 and then there will be one remainder. If it's an odd number, you will have remainders if you divide by 2. So divisibility for each number, 2, 3, each of the test is different. They are not the same. So can you please redo and send? Yuvati, did you check properly for 3?
Yes.
I want you to recheck. Neil correct, Samhit correct. Heyan, What is that, Hayan? Yes, no means what, Hayan?
I did it before you erased the 518.
Oh, okay. Now can you send the answer for this one?
What, this one, the chart again? The chart or the other one?
The chart, the question marks. Is 53892 divisible by 2 and 3? Hayan, for 3, how did you test it? Devishka, very proud of you.
I divided the first, second, and third number because I knew the last two numbers wouldn't work.
Hayan, I said you have to add the digits. Remember? Did you add the digits? 5
Okay.
plus 3 plus 8 plus 9 plus 2. What did you get? What did you
Miss
get?
Priya,
Mm.
well, we're actually in that part where if you want to divide it again by 3, you can, because if you add the digits, it's 27. And 27 is a multiple of 9, so it means that you can divide it again by 3.
Good. 27. 27 is divisible by 3 and 9. So 3 evenly goes.
And also you could divide it
9 as well. Go. Good job, Neil. Good job bringing it up.
again.
So to test the divisibility by 3 and 9, the only way is to add the digits of the number given. If you add and you end up with something like 27, 3 goes evenly in 27, 9 goes evenly in 27. Both of the numbers go evenly in 27. So this number is divisible by 3. It is divisible by 9. This is new, meaning guys, you need to know all this by the end of this grade. For number 2 checking, will 2 go evenly into this number? The ending number has to be 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, an even digit. Okay, now again, okay, 4, 8, 9, 3. How to check if this number goes evenly in 3 or in 9? I want to check whether it goes evenly in 3 and in 9. How to check that? I will add the digits. Hey, Ann, are you listening? Ma, if you switch off video, how will I know, ma? Okay. So here, 7 plus 7. So how will you add this? Basically, I would go ahead with 9 plus 1, 10. Then 8 plus 2, another 10, 24. See, 3 goes evenly 3 times. 8 is a 24. 9 doesn't go in a 24. So 9 does not go evenly into this number. 3 goes into this number. Yuvati, you wanted to explain something. What is that, Yuvati?
For the practice start test he gave, in that, like, for some of the questions, my dad showed me a method.
You want to show me that?
Yes.
So, what is the question?
You could give any question with like lots of stuff we need to organize in it.
You want me to bring up that question? Can you wait till the end, Yuvati? I'll finish whatever I wanted to do and then we'll go. Okay. How about this one?
Miss Priya,
Yama?
but can't there be two answers for some questions like that are divisible by 3? Because if you do it divided by 3, you can get like one answer, and then if you add, you can get a different answer. So you can get different answers for different like for
What do you mean by that? If I want to check divisibility by 3, what can you
yeah, like if you just divide it by 3 immediately, you get one answer. And then if you add all of the numbers and then divide it by 3, then you get a different answer. So can't there be two answers on one question?
Very nice bringing this up, Samhit. I see. I am not trying to find the answer. I am not trying to find the quotient. I am not trying to find the quotient. For finding the quotient, you will have to do this. There is no other go. If you want to try to find the quotient, you will have to do this, or you will have to do it quickly. You see what I mean? You have to do this way quick. Okay, I am not trying to do that. What I am trying to find it is, when you do this, will you have a remainder or not is the question I'm trying to answer. When you do this or this, will you end up with a remainder 0? If you end up with a remainder 0, it means that the number 3 evenly goes into this number. So, by adding the digits, what I'm trying to answer, let's see, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 11 plus 5, 16. So, 16 is not divisible by 3. Okay. So, what I'm saying is, when you perform this division, you will definitely not have a remainder of 0. You will have some other remainder. That's what I'm saying. Did you get it, Samhit?
No. Because like when you just normally do like division,
Yes.
sometimes you don't have like a remainder.
You
Like
won't
say,
have that's what I'm saying. How do you determine that? Without even dividing, how will you know? Just sum the digits. If the sum is divisible by 3, then your remainder will be 0, I'm saying. Do you get it?
so both ways are going to be the same answer.
What both ways? Which both ways?
Like adding and then division.
No, adding the digits, you are just adding the digits and bringing it to a single digit. Did you see? When you bring it to a single digit, it only tells you whether it will have a remainder or not. You got it? It won't tell you what is the remainder or what is the quotient. It is just a check. It is just a test to see whether 3 evenly goes into this number.
So it's a fast way to check.
Yeah, there is no way the two answers will coincide. There is no way they are going to be the same. The question is itself different. Here, by some... Go ahead. What?
Well, won't you get different answers then?
You are asking different questions. Here you are asking for the quotient. After you divide, what is my quotient? Here you are saying, okay, let's call it 5 divided by 3. Okay. If I divide 5 by 3, the quotient is what? You tell me, Samhit. What is the quotient?
Remainder.
I asked you what is the quotient. What is the quotient? Okay, what is the remainder?
2.
2. What is the quotient? Quotient means the answer. How many 3's go in 5? The answer is the quotient. 1. This I'm not trying to find. I have digit 5, right? Meaning I have the sum of the digit as 5. Will 3 evenly go in 5? No. So, if I do this, if I sum up the digits right, I am just trying to answer. I will be able to say, hey, remainder is not going to be 0 is the conclusion I get. I won't know whether the remainder is 2. I will know that only by doing this. You got it? Summing the digits is only for a test. Did you get it, Samhit?
No, because like
Samhit,
well,
the answer to this, right? Meaning summing the digits, right? Like 2 plus 1 plus 4 plus 5 plus 3. Why do you sum it? To say yes or no answers. You're going to say yes or no. If the number is divisible by 3, then 3 goes evenly into this number. So yes or no, you're going to say. But if you do it, you're going to get a quotient and a remainder which are valid answers. You got it?
but like sometimes for the thing, if you sum it up, you get one answer, like for yes or no, and then the other way, just normally dividing it, then you can sometimes get a different answer than.
Yeah, but both are not the same, right?
Yeah, then
Yes,
how do you know which is correct?
No, 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 no. You are not understanding what question I'm asking you. I'm asking, see, I have 5 apples. I'm going to split it between 3 people. Okay, I did not ask you whether, see, when you're summing the digit, the question I'm asking is, will all the 3 people get the same number of apples and will there be apples left out is the question I'm asking. I'm trying to answer the question, will there be apples left out? That's the only question I'm trying to answer. If I do the division, then I'm trying to answer how many apples will each of them get? How many apples will remain? That is what I'm trying to answer. The questions are different. I'm not asking the same question here and the same question here. You got it?
So for yes or no questions, you do sum up, and then for other questions, you do just.
Correct. Correct.
Huh.
5, 8, 3, 6. Guys, I want 3 answers from you. Is it divisible by 2? Is it divisible by 3? Is it divisible by 9? There will be yes, yes, no. Like this, I need answers from you. Try, guys. Last page you did. See, this one, I don't know whether I taught you. I feel like I have already taught you and I don't know. Let's see. What did you want me to? I Least I looked at your work. Oh, 17. Okay, I see. So let's see. I'll check, guys. Good job, Yuvati. Some hit correct. Lakshanya, is that correct? Yuvati correct. Neil correct. Heyan and Lakshanya. Heyan and Lakshanya. Okay. Devishka, I'm waiting for your answer. Heyan, you explain, Heyan. How did you do this one? Does 3 go evenly in 5, 8, 3, 6? Explain, Heyan. What happened?
Yeah.
You're okay? Heyan, you're awesome. You understood. You explained to us. So how did you do that?
I took 6,
Hmm.
3, 8,
Hmm.
and 5,
Hmm.
added those all together.
Very nice, Heyan. See, that's why I thought you understood. Hmm. Let me add it for you. Let me add it. Go ahead. I'll help you too, so you can help me.
8 plus 3 is 11,
Hmm.
and 5 plus 6 is another 11.
I like it. Good job. 22. So what happened?
We can.
You got 22. It's great. That is how you have to solve. Then what did you check? Does 3 go in 22?
No.
No, then the number 3 does not go evenly. It will have a remainder. If you divide 5836 by 3, you will have a remainder. You got it? So 3 does not divide 5836 evenly. 3 does not go in 5836 evenly. 3 and 9, it's very similar. The test is very similar. Does 9 go in 22?
No. Well,
No.
I know. Then, well, how I did it is I did not I just started 5 was 8, 3 was 6. I did not just say it was 22. Then I just knew that if the beginning number is 2, 4, 6, 8, or 0, I knew it could be an even number and a multiple of 2. So I knew it was 2. Yes. But after I noticed there was 13 plus a multiple of 3. Like 13 and add, when you start from 1 and you add multiples of 3, or 2 and you add multiples of 3, it's not a multiple of 3. Yeah, and even if it's not a multiple of 3, that means it's not a multiple of 6 or 9 or 12 or any multiple of 3.
Good job. Very nice explanation. Proud. Can I move on?
Can you mute me? Cause there's this thing popping up and it's not letting me mute myself.
No problem. I will definitely mute you. Not at all a problem, Yuvati. There's a thing popping up. What thing is popping up? I don't get it, but I'll mute you. No problem. I muted you. Okay. Let's move on. How about this? How about this, guys? You are going to explain this to me, okay? I'm going to draw a weird figure, okay? I'm going to ask you questions. It's not a hard question, okay? I promise it's not a hard question, okay? All these triangles are equal. All these triangles are equal in area. All these triangles are equal in area. But I want you to tell me the simplified fraction for, if I shade these four, send me the simplified fraction. What is the simplified fraction? Let me show you. Wait. If you know it already, it's great. Okay. Meaning, I have a 3 by 9. You know what? Both the numbers are divisible by 3, right? So you have to send me the answer as 1 by 3. I will not accept 3 by 9. Okay. The fraction numerator and denominator has a common number in which they'll go. Meaning 3 can go in 3, 3 can go in 9. So I will have to divide and make it into simpler numbers and send. Now let's try this one. 4 by 8, is it simplified fraction, Samhit? 4 by 8, is it a simplified fraction?
Yeah.
No, both can go in 2, right? It will be 2 by 4. Is 2 by 4 simplified fraction, Neil?
What's a simplified fraction?
Meaning this numerator and denominator, there is no number that goes evenly into the numerator and the denominator.
So this is a simplified fraction.
You think so? Both are even. So what number will go in both?
2.
2. So the answer is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 simplified fraction?
1 divided by 2.
Is simplified.
1 divided by 1, 2 but divided by 1.
1 divided by 2 is simplified or not?
No.
What number goes? What number goes into 1 and 2? There is no number that goes into 1. Oh, see, other than 1, check whether there is a number that goes evenly in 1, evenly in 2. Okay, let me. No.
Only 1 goes evenly in 1.
Yeah, so if the number is only 1, then I can call this as simplified fraction or reduced, meaning I have come to the smallest numbers possible. So this is my simplified or reduced fraction. You got it?
Yeah.
Let's see. I have more. Okay. Let me go to Samhit and Heyan now. Ritu, Lakshanya, I want you to answer too, whether you understand now or not. I'll go one by one. Let's see. By the end, all of you get it. Okay, let's see this one. How about this? 6 by 18. Is this simplified? Now, Samhit, you answer. Is this simplified, Samhit? Meaning, if you find a number that goes evenly into 6 and 18 other than 1,
Not simplified. It's 3. It's not simplified. 6 divided by 3.
what happens now?
Now it's
Very proud of you, Heyan. Are you working it out with your fingers?
then
Then what happens? 6 divided by 3 is what, Neil? You tell me. 6 divided by 3 is what?
6 divided by 3 is 2.
Let me write it
18
for you.
divided by 3 is 6.
18 divided by 3 is 6. Is it simplified now?
No.
Then how to simplify?
Yeah, it's simplified.
2 divided by 6 is simplified?
Then if you divide it.
Is there a number that can
No, never mind. So 6 divided by 2 is 3. Then 2 divided by 2 is 1.
1 by 3. Now 1 by 3.
And then it's simplified.
Yes. So now let's go ahead with somebody else now. Okay. Neil, I'm going to ask you to keep quiet. I'm going to go ahead with somebody so that when we again and again and again and do the same thing, you'll all understand clearly. How about this? 18 by 20. Who wants to go? Who wants to try with me? Yes, Ritu. I like you volunteering, Ritu. Really. Go ahead. Go ahead, Ritu. Is it simplified?
2 goes in 18 and 20. So 18 divided by 2 equals 9. 20 divided by 2 equals 10.
Is it simplified?
Um,
Think. Think. This is an odd number. This is an even number. So 2 is not common to both. Maybe 3. 3 goes here, but 3 doesn't go here.
But 3 doesn't go in 20.
Yeah. So is it simplified?
No.
Simplified means that the smallest I can bring 2. I cannot go further. Is it simplified?
Yeah.
I think so too. 9 by 10 is simplified, I feel. Can we move on? Okay.
Yes.
Now who wants to try? Hey, I really want you to volunteer, guys. Who wants? Yes, Samhit. Good job, Samhit. Thank you. 15 by 20. How about that, Samhit? 15 by 20. Samhit, go ahead. Samhit, you raise your hand. You're not talking.
That's you, but yeah, this is simple.
You were talking on mute. I didn't see you. Okay, 15 by 20. Good job. Go ahead. Good job, Lakshanya. See, you can answer in chat. Lakshanya already answered in chat. Like that. Heyan, answer in chat. What are you doing? Send it in chat. 15 by 20. Samhit, you are going to work with me. Go ahead.
It is simplified because you can't divide
By 2. This doesn't go in 2, correct. And this doesn't go in 3. Any other number? You cannot just like that check 2 and 3. Good job, Neil. You cannot just check 2 and 3. What other numbers go into 15 and 20? Yuvati, do you know of any numbers that go in 15 and 20? Devishka, good job.
Yes. 5.
5. Good. So what is a simplified fraction? Heyan. What is a simplified fraction?
3/4.
Good job. Wow. Okay. Samhit, did you get it?
Yeah.
Good. Okay. Now, guys, just write out what is the fraction here. In this picture, I have shown Write out what is the fraction of the shaded figure. What is the fraction of the shaded figure? First, find out what is the fraction of the shaded figure. First, find out the fraction of the shaded figure. Then see whether it's a simplified fraction. Send me fraction. First, send me the fraction. The second step is, can you simplify and send? I'll wait for each answer. Otherwise, I'll bug you. Whoever is not answering, I'll call you. Good job, Ritu. Can you do the second step? Samhit, 14 is not a fraction, Samhit. I asked you to send the simplified fraction of the shaded figure. Yuvati, are you counting correctly, Yuvati? Can you recheck? Heyan, can you tell me how you got that number? You can explain, Heyan.
Okay,
Hmm.
I made a mistake.
No problem. If you make a mistake, you can correct it.
Miss Priya,
Go ahead.
the fraction that I did not do for volunteer, I did not actually send it on chat. But I did it.
You don't want to. Ritu, good job, Ritu. Both are correct. Well done. Some hit send.
What?
You can send the answer, right?
What?
Did you send the answer?
Yeah,
It's not 1 by 1. How it is 1 by 1?
because it's simplified them.
What is the fraction first?
4 by 4. Yeah.
What is the fraction of the shaded part?
4.
What is the total number of parts?
4.
4 out of what? Good job, Heyan. Very nice. 4 out of, no, Yuvati, you are counting it incorrectly still.
Out of 14.
4 out of 14.
Miss
1, 2, 3, 4. 4 out of 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 4 out of 14. So when you simplify, what happens? Lakshanya, I'm waiting for the simplified fraction.
Miss Priya,
Yeah, Mayuritu.
after everyone's done, can I show?
Yeah, go ahead. Now itself, you can
wanna
show. Can you simplify that and tell me? You need 1 minute, ma. Wait, ma. Go ahead, Ritu.
So it's 4
Mm,
14,
mm,
and since they both are even numbers,
mm.
divided them by
2. Very nice, Ritu. Good job. 2.
and then
Mm.
4 divided by 2
Mm-hmm.
equals 2,
Mm.
and 14 divided by 2 equals 7.
No,
And then
very
since
good.
2 is an even number and 7 is an odd, you can't do it anymore.
Very nice. Okay. Samit, did you get it now?
Yeah.
Okay. Now
Yes.
if I have this one is the last question. Let's see. 0, 1. Okay. I'm going to put a line. I'm going to put what? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay.
Miss
Priya,
could I
yeah.
draw on the board? Could I draw on the board after you?
Now itself you draw. I'll wait. Draw on the board. What do you want to draw?
Miss, no. I'm gonna draw on the board. If could I put my answer on the board?
Yeah.
And how I do that?
Yeah. You want to wait till the end or now?
Can I show that method on the board?
Yes, you can show, but let me 0 to 1. Okay. 0 to 1. What is this, guys? What is this fraction? What is this fraction in simplified form? Fraction. First, find out the fraction. Okay. And then find the simplified fraction. You know how to find the fraction. I taught you last week. Very nicely, we are done. Now, how to find the simplified fraction?
my answer.
Yeah, can you send the simplified fraction? David, good job. Can you send the simplified fraction?
I did send the simplified fraction.
Send the simplified fraction, reduced fraction.
Yes, that.
Yes, most of you got it. Good job. Okay. Send it, send it. Whoever has not sent it, send it. Nevan, you have not sent it.
I sent
Yeah,
both
I'm proud of you.
them.
Good job. Okay. Neil, go ahead.
I already put my simplified fraction.
Very nice. Happy. Now, Yuvati, what did you want to show us?
Can we clear the board?
Yeah, I can clear the board. Nevan, I didn't get an answer from you. I'm waiting. What is going on? Ma, use this part, ma. Right side part, use, ma.
Priya.
Nevan, good job. Simplify it and send. Go ahead, ma. Yuvati, go ahead.
Can you give like a question with lots of things you need to organize in it so that I could put like for a chart?
Okay, do one thing. Yuvati, can I ask you this? I'll request you this. Bring the question and the answer. As soon as you come to next class, you can explain. Okay?
Miss
But bring the question and the answer for you to explain to us. Got it?
Uh-huh.
Or you can send the question to me a little bit earlier than the class. I will put it on the screen. You can explain.
Okay.
Make sense? Without fail, you can remind me next week as soon as you come to the class.
Okay.
Okay?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, any questions, guys? Yes, what is your question? Who has a question? None?
Miss Priya.
Yeah.
Can I show how I got it?
Sure. Sure. Go
Okay.
ahead.
So this is the number line.
You want me to draw it? I'm sorry, wait. You want me to draw it? I'll draw it. I feel bad. Wait.
Okay. 0, 1. So this is
What do
0,
you
1,
want to do? I
2,
asked you this one.
4.
Mm.
And then this is the 4.
Fourth frog jump.
4.
Mm.
And this is 6.
4 out of 6.
And divided by 2 because they
Very
both
nice.
even
Will be.
equals 2/3.
Good job, lady.
And you can't do it anymore because 2 is even again. And then 3 is odd.
Okay, no, good job, ma. So you will finish till 33. Okay. In the book, you will all finish till page number 33 and come back to class. Okay, guys? See you. Yeah.
Can I tell you something?
Wait,
Sure. Wait. Let's disperse the others. Okay, guys. You don't have to wait too long.
which was the pages?
I'll put it out.
Priya?
32. 32. Till 32, you need to complete.
Miss Priya?
Yeah.
I don't know what book. Which book?
3D, ma. 3D.
Okay.
3D.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Devishka, hold on a minute. Devishka. Okay, guys. Any other questions? You can log off, guys. See you all next week. Have a good week ahead. Okay? We have spring break here.
Today, me and Neil are gonna have a sleepover at my house.
Wow. You guys have fun. I wish I was there. That's
I have a camp out tomorrow. Oh, and
wow. That's nice.
I'm gonna have a movie night tomorrow, a sleepover.
Wow. I feel like I should be there. I'm missing all of this. I don't have anything. I'm going to stay at home. You guys have fun, but tell me next week how you all enjoyed, okay?
Wait,
Okay.
so
Bye.
Bye, guys.
so
Bye.
Bye.
bye, Miss Priya.
Bye.
Max. Max competition.
Neil, tell me what's up.
I have a math competition.
I know that Q math, right? When is it? I forgot the date. When is it?
Today afternoon. He doesn't know it either.
Amma, just go do what you know.
Yeah.
It is going to so much make you better. The Q math competition, go and come. Go and come, do whatever you know, right?
Okay.
Not everybody has that advantage.
Okay, Chili.
Okay. Thank you.
When is it? When is it?
Today afternoon, Priya.
Oh, all the very best. Then you are ranting to wake up, huh? All the best. Will you do well?
Neil.
Neil, stay focused and do during the exam, Neil. Got it?
Okay.
Yeah, you will do well. Stay focused, be there in the exam.
Thank you.
Okay, yeah. Do well. Use all the strategies. Then do. Good luck. Okay?
Okay.
I'll wait for a message from you. Hey, I did well. Let me see. Okay? Do
Okay.
with all your heart. Bye-bye. All the best.
Okay.
Bye. Bye. Tanishka's mom, I think, yeah, meaning she's doing it or you're helping him? You're muted. You're muted.
By herself.
Yeah.
She did.
She's doing or you're helping?
No, we were not helping, just the divisibility part, like how
You
to
have to help.
identify
Okay,
a number.
see, that's
Yeah.
okay. She's also new to the online class, right? That is okay. But other than that, she's doing well, right?
Yeah.
Huh?
Solve, she has done the solving part. Like,
See, that's okay,
she was
right?
not that fast as compared to the other kids, but yeah, she was lacking behind, but yeah, she was
Yeah.
trying.
Don't worry about being fast. As long as she understands the concept, it's good.
Yeah.
It's good. We'll do one more and see.
Miss
Okay.
Priya,
Yeah.
I have like
I like you talking like this, lady. Why are you not talking in the class? You also shout out in class, right? Then only we'll understand each other. Go ahead. What is it? Sorry.
I have 3A but not 3E.
3D.
3D you don't have. First, let's see. We will do one more class. Okay,
Okay.
3D.
Actually, I bought for Tanishka, I purchased like 5D and I saw the contents of 3D. So I found I wanted to
Like-
try with 3A, but shall I book 3D then?
Wait. We will have only 4 classes, right?
Yeah.
That's what makes me think. Uh, 1 second. 1
Mhm.
second. Wait. I'm checking for you something. 3D. Okay, it's going to take a while. That's fine. You want to buy that, huh? You have 4 more classes. What do you want to do? 4 or some more classes? What do you want to do?
Yeah, we can.
Buy, right? Meaning, wait. See, even if you don't do the homework, right? Wait for 1 more week, right? If she's really liking it, buy. Then you can do it even during the summer break.
Yeah.
You
Yeah,
see,
that makes
after all
sense.
fractions. Wait 1 more week and buy because these
Okay.
kids we can't say anything.
Yeah. We have started with 3A, like she's in the shapes chapter. I'm like
Right? It's
explaining.
hard, Anna. 3A is hard.
Oh, that's hard.
Oh yeah, acute angles are hard, right? Acute angles, right?
Yeah, that she's doing. She's trying. So it's not according to the level. Like 3A is simpler, 3B is then
Oh, it's
a
nothing
bit
of that.
difficult. Nothing is such.
Topics
Oh,
differ.
oh,
Okay, for that matter, topics differ. This book has fractions, estimations, area.
okay,
Okay, that book has geometry in it.
okay.
Okay, 3C had equations.
Oh,
At the end, whatever I have seen, right, if the kids get a hang of 3rd grade, 4th grade, if the kids get a hang of equations, they are the people who are going to survive better.
oh,
Let
nice.
me stop the recording. That's what I meaning practically I've seen that.
Oh, okay. Then I can, we can